Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to remove a voicemail number on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone dialer. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to this red slider, proceed to settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down, click on voicemail. If you are using dual SIM phone, consider to check on them one after the other. Select a particular SIM that is entering voicemail. Click on advanced settings. Go to setup. Click on voicemail number. So at this point here, all the voicemail number is going to be found right here. For you to remove a number from a voicemail, what you need to do right here is to simply click all right here. Once you cancel it, hit on OK. Voicemail number change and hit on OK, and you are done. It's that pretty simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.